Today, the church brings us back to ordinary time. Kaya tignan nyo ang pare, hindi na nakaputi, kami ay naka-green na, sapagkat ordinary time na, mga kapatid. And ordinary here does not refer to a season of dull and routinary life, but rather, ordinary means ordinal, sequential, numbered. Our time are numbered. Anong ibig sabihin yan, my dear brothers and sisters? For a disciple, ordinary time is actually extraordinary time. A time to let God surprise you even in the ordinary. If we learn how to see life with hope and to invest in what we believe, there will surely be a plot twist waiting for you even in your ordinary life. Kaya mga kapatid, magdasal tayo. Huwag niyong iismulin ang Diyos, sapagkat kung patuloy tayong nananampalataya sa Kanya, makikita niyo may milagrong mangyayari kahit sa kasimplihan ng ating mga buhay. Amen.